So this is how you can edit Pinterest widget on your Android. At first, naturally, you want to ensure that you have the Pinterest app downloaded and then everything is set up the way that it should be. Otherwise, you will not even have the ability to add the widget, right? So once you do add the widget, what you can do is to hold down on it and more things are going to pop up, right? So you can find that you can delete it or create a stack, but there is also the settings button next to it. So tap on the settings and it will ask you to switch to a different content type for your Pinterest widget. So you can choose like a different interest or a different board, right? So I'm going to click on board, and if you have like different one of them, then you can just pick and choose a different one. So it is nice, right? Because you can always just represent it this way, meaning that your pins are always going to be updated and the widget is going to represent the thing which you like, right? So that's how you can do this. Obviously, you can add a separate widget right next to it, which is going to show a different board or a different interest, up to you as well. But this is how you can manage it. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to get it to work. Hit the thumbs up if you did, but most definitely do not forget to subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one on the Foxtecc channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the future.